Welcome to our engaging English grammar quiz. Test your prepositions of location knowledge with sentences missing key details. Whether a grammar expert or just brushing up your English, this quiz suits all. Enhance your understanding of prepositions and have a blast. Let's dive in and see how well you know your prepositions of location. Feel free to mention your score in the comment. The cat is on the chair. The book is below the table. The keys are beneath the jacket. She placed the cup on top of the saucer. The painting is against the wall. The shoes are above the bed. The clock is mounted onto the wall. The birds are flying in the sky. The pen is near the notebook. The flowers are inside the vase. Incredible job! I hope you had as much fun as I did. Remember, learning English can be exciting and rewarding. Keep practicing, keep exploring, and soon you'll master it all. Until next time, keep embracing the joy of learning.